Top 10 reasons to work with a professional trained solar advisor when purchasing solar panels for your home. 10. Peace of mind. Experienced experts guide you through the process, addressing concerns for a seamless transition to clean energy. 9. Energy efficiency recommendations. Offers insights on energy-saving measures and additional upgrades for enhanced benefit. 8. Maintenance and repairs. Provides guidance and recommends trusted professionals for optimal system performance. 7. Performance monitoring. Sets up monitoring systems for real-time energy production tracking and issue identification. 6. Quality assurance. Ensures solar panels meet industry standards, minimizing malfunctions and underperformance risks. 5. Permitting and paperwork. Navigates complex requirements, saving you time and ensuring compliance. 4. Financial guidance. Helps you make informed decisions on incentives, tax credits, and financing options for maximum ROI, return on investment. 3. Industry connections. Access to high-quality products and reliable installation services through reputable manufacturers and suppliers. 2. System customization. Maximizes energy production and savings by assessing your energy usage and property characteristics. 1. Expertise and knowledge. Ensures a tailored solar panel installation based on your home's needs.
Thanks for viewing. Please subscribe, like, and share.